In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit a highlight on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, towards the middle of the screen, it will show you all of your highlights. I got just one here, and all we have to do now in order to edit a highlight is just a long press at that highlight and then select edit highlight in that pop-up. After that, we'll be able to delete some stories from that highlight simply by unchecking them, and also if we hit right here at stories, that will open up our stories highlight, and from here we can add stories to that highlight. As you can see, now it shows us 4 checkmarked stories. After that, we can also edit name for that highlight. We can type in here whatever we want, and also we can change the cover. So we can hit add edit cover, and then we can first off select any story from that bar, and then we can choose the frame just like that, and then hit add done. Once we've done with that, to save the changes we need to tap at done. That's how you can easily edit a highlight on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.